If you want to clear the history of Safari on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open Settings, then tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just look for the Safari app. Then tap on it. And on this screen, you will find the option of Clear History and Website Data. Just tap on it. Now to clear all your history, just select All History from here. If you select Last Hour, it will only delete the history of the last hour. And if you select Today or Today and Yesterday, it will just delete the history of today's or today and yesterday's. So make sure you select All History. And if you also want to close all the tabs while clearing the history, just make sure you enable this toggle. And by enabling this toggle, you will also close all the tabs while clearing your history. Now make sure you select All History and close all tabs. Then tap on Clear History. And by doing that, you will clear your history on Safari. Just like that. And this is how you can clear the Safari history on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.